Hi there, and thank you for purchasing the 2024 mileage log. I hope you will find this to be an excellent tool to help you organize all of your drives for 2024. I want to show you just a few features of the spreadsheet. First of all, you can change your name up here from XYZ company name to your individual name or your business name. And then right here we do have a few resources. One links directly back to the IRS website where they discuss use of a car. And then this top one will be the link to this video that I'm recording right now. In this first line, on line 12, I've given you an example of a typical drive. So you want the date of the trip, the purpose of the trip, and the category. So here I've already put in some categories for you where these might fall. You can have a business trip, personal, commute, charitable, medical, or moving. That's for the armed forces only. But you should note that in order to have a complete and accurate log, you should log all your trips, whether they're business or personal. That way, you can get a percentage of use between business and personal. Also keep in mind, if you plan to use actual auto expenses, a mileage log is still required at the end of the year. In column D, I just titled this business because some clients have multiple businesses. So if you wanted to label this business 1, business 2, or if you had rental properties that are acting as a business, you could put rental property 1 or 2. You always want the starting address and the ending address. And then for the first time, you will need to put in your odometer reading in G12. And then every time you will put in your odometer ending. But I've set up a formula here that if you track all of your drives, the odometer start will automatically pull in the end of the last drive. Your total miles automatically calculate. Your rate per mile automatically pulls in based on your trip category in column C. And the potential amount of your deduction automatically calculates based on the trip category and the miles driven. For your convenience, up here, I have put a summary in green so that throughout the year you can see how many miles you've driven under each category and the amount of the potential deduction. Again, I thank you for purchasing this mileage log. If you have any other questions or services that we can help you with, please reach out at info@jacobmckee.co.